Hey guys, Jay Parker Silver Stacker here. What's going on? Got some channel mail and I got some silver unboxing, but we'll do the channel mail first. I think there's some stickers here. Get this one open. I'm not showing this one's name or address because it's on the envelope. I'm not sure if they want that shown. And it's from Stoopid 2023 M2. That's his new sticker, Trident Stacker. Nice. I've actually been wanting these stickers. I was actually going to reach out to you the other day, brother, but I forgot. Awesome. Those are kick-ass stickers for sure. And they're not going to stay up for me. Let's see if we can stick them right there for now. He sent me 2. Awesome. And he says, Jay Parker, welcome back, my friend. Life has curveballs. Stay in the box and take another swing. Love you, brother M2. Awesome. Thanks, bro. Yeah, it's great to be back making videos again. A lot of people were probably wondering where I was, but I just needed to take some time off for personal reasons. But thanks for the welcome back letter, M2. I appreciate that, brother. And I appreciate the stickers. I'm gonna be getting some new stickers made with my new logo, so I'll definitely get a couple out to you. Thanks a lot. I'll put these on my sticker board. Right now, as you can see, I'm filming in my living room because I got rid of my other desk. I'm gonna do something different, but that's coming as well. And let's get to the other letter. MSJ. Anybody know who that is? I think I do. This guy's a fairly new channel. I think he's got 480 subs, so he's getting up there. Let's see who it is. My Silver Journey. So if you guys aren't subscribed to him, go check him out. He's got a really good channel, awesome sticker. He'll probably do a sticker trade with you. I've got one going to you, bud. I don't know if you've got it yet, but I did send you one of my channel stickers. And also go check out M2. He's got an awesome channel. Let's see what My Silver Journey has to say. Jay Parker, thank you so much for the sticker trade. I look forward to chatting up on your content. Catching up. Sorry, it's cursive. Enjoying it enjoying it every step of the way. Sorry, I'm having a moment here. It's early in the morning. I just got up not too long ago, but there you go. God bless My Silver Journey. And I've been really looking forward to your next videos to see what you pick up from your LCS. You've been finding some really cool finds. But thanks a lot for the sticker trade. I appreciate that, brother. I'll be definitely putting yours on my sticker board as well. Now, enough rambling on. Let's open up the silver I got. And as you can see, I've got my Washington Quarter Dansko in the background, if that gives you any hint of maybe what I got for you. And here's the silver. I picked up the last few spots in the back of the Dansko, all of the silver proofs from 92 to 98. I picked up all of these, all uncirculated. 93, 2, 94, 97, there's 95. These are all the beautiful quarters. I got a pretty decent deal on these. 96 and 98. Pretty sweet. I won't bore you watching me put these in. I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I've got all the coins in. So now I've got from 1965 to 1998, including proofs, all full. There's two of the coins I just put in, 92 and 93S proof. And the last page, we got 94, 95, 96, 97, and 98, all silver in now. So that is awesome. Now I've just got to start working on all the silver in the front album. That'll probably take a lot more time than it took me to do all these clad and proofs and the few silver proofs that I put in the back, but there we go. That feels good to get those done. But if you guys aren't subscribed to these two guys, go check them out. They've got two awesome channels, awesome content, and don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys, and subscribe. J. Parker Silver Stacker out.